In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your bio on Instagram. So it's real easy to do. So what you have to do is go into Instagram, obviously, and go to the bottom right corner where you can go into your actual profile and all that stuff. Now, underneath your name and your picture and your bio that you want to change, you'll see an edit profile button here. So go ahead and hit edit profile. And then this is going to bring you to a bunch of options that you can physically change if it was your name, your username, and all that stuff. But what you want to focus on is your bio. So what you can do is go in here and change things that you want. I'm just going to take a thing away and I'll just replace it here. And then once you're done editing your bio, just go ahead and hit done. It'll update, and then it updates automatically on your bio page. And then you can go back and go to your bio, and your changes will be automatically updated on your Instagram. And that's it. It's that simple, that quick. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.